Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. We are up to 49, issue 49 on our R2 build here. And we've got our magazine, and we've got our part, and it looks like we're going to be continuing on the left leg here. So let's get this thing open and see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got the inner wheel support plate, the axle, and the bearing. You're also going to need 4 of the thicker 6mm screws and this leg assembly that we have built so far. You will not need the axle or the bearing for this issue. What you're going to want to do, you'll take a look on one side of this, which is the smooth side. It's got a couple of posts on it. And if you take a look here, you got 3 holes in each corner. Those posts are going to go in the middle hole in each corner. And with everything lined up, you should have 4 screw holes ready and waiting for those 4 screws. Alright, looks like I was wrong. We're actually using the thinner 6mm screws, and now I remember this from the right leg where the screws actually stuck out here. But the instructions do say 6mm, so I'm going to go ahead and leave these in, and as we continue assembling the leg, we'll see if that interferes with the movement of the wheel. Hopefully not, but we'll find out. And that actually completes stage 49. Another day, another issue down. Stage 49 is complete. The left leg is coming along nicely. Looking forward to getting it complete and matching it up with the right leg we've already done. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.